Look at this little guy.
Yeah, I know.
He's perched on my knuckle.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
You're so cute. Oh, they're so cute when they swim. Their little legs. Meow, meow, meow.
Yeah.
Oh, this is precious. Oh, he's so tiny. He's so cute. Oh, the cutest. I could put him in the water and let him swim.
Quite the little critter.
What's the little leg?
Oh, there's one swimming.
Well, yeah, that's probably the one that
Yeah.
was by me.
I don't think I can get him there.
So cute. Oh, that is so cute. Oh, he's so little.
He is quite little.
His little feet's good. Oh, that is the cutest thing I've seen. It's too much cuteness to handle. Oh, he's just swimming like, oh.